The small but vibrant hamlet of Cortino in southern Switzerland, an area of charm and natural beauty, but it's also a vital hotspot when it comes to power engineering. It's here that ABB's power protection business was founded in the 1990s. This center in the Italian-speaking Ticino region quickly became a pioneer in the uninterruptible power supply or UPS business. UPS devices react in milliseconds to supply emergency power to a system if the grid goes down. They're a crucial resource supporting the infrastructure of the modern world, from hospitals to airports to data centers. Since being acquired by ABB in 2012, the site has become a global leader in this vital sector, and the R&D labs and advanced testing facilities here are now part of a worldwide network of ABB's corporate research centers. Technological progress has been accelerated by cooperation between the R&D lab in Cortino and ABB's corporate research centers around the world. To support our products in the field, each year we bring over 1,000 technicians from all over the world to our high-tech factory in Cortino for training. And there are key initiatives run with the nearby University of Applied Sciences and Arts of Southern Switzerland in Lugano. The company invests heavily in product development, so the innovations keep coming. For example, decentralized parallel architecture, DPA. In a DPA UPS, if one module fails, the other modules keep the show on the road. In 2017, the test facility was opened in Cortino. It is one of the most advanced of its kind in the world and can accommodate even the largest UPS configurations. As the world becomes more digital and more reliant on secure data, UPS systems are becoming an essential part of how the future is built. From this village on the edge of the Swiss Alps to the heart of the world's largest megacities, ABB is writing the future of power protection.